In today's class, we're going to be looking at the differences that exist between our planes and our boundary. So I'll go to my side view and just draw something very simple, probably with the pencil tool. Okay, just draw something. Okay, let's say something simple, and even though it crosses, there's no problem. Okay. And that's all. I'll just use the pencil tool there, W, and I'll just select all. Okay, I can go to my perspective view. Okay, select all, Alt B. Okay, let's use this view. Go to my surfaces and hit the planar, and it just uses the point that they meet the intersection there and come up with something, more like it. So I'll select all of this and move to the side. Okay, and also this, it's separate from this. Okay, so if you move this, you can, sorry, these are connected rather. The moment these two disconnect, the plane is gone, so they have to be connected. I can move this upward too. Okay, so to disconnect them, just click this and delete history. Okay, and at this point you can do whatever you want and nothing happens. If yours is not on your shelf, you can just go to edit, hold your shift and go to edit, delete by type and history. So for the boundary, the way it works is I'll do this from my side view tool. I'm going to draw, let's say, with my NURBS, with my EP curve. I'll just draw something like so, maybe something, okay, W. I'll hit it again. At this point I'm going to snap, so I will turn on my snap to curves, snap it to this curve, to the end there, because they have to be connected, and just draw something, W, done. Click again, snap to curve is still on, so I will snap. Just drag across this, keep drawing. W. Finally, snap. At this point, snap it too, because this is all on. When I'm done, I'll turn it off. Okay, turn it off. So we are having the surface now. All right. Having the surface. So the rule for the boundary is that first and foremost you have to make sure that they are touching each other. Okay. And the number 2 rule is the number of spans for opposites. Okay, the number of spans for on the opposite sides has to be equal. Let me explain. When we go to our attribute editor, when I click this, the number of spans is 5. Here, the number of spans is 4. So this is wrong because if here is 5 and here is 4, there will be an issue. So either 4, 4 or 5, 5. I can change to any value, but make sure they're the same. Here is 5, here is 5, so here it's equal. So to change it, I will go to my curves, go to rebuild. Is that fine? Click here, it's showing 5. So let's say I want here to be 6. Apply. That means automatically here has to be 6 too. Apply. So if you check here, when I highlight this is 6, when I highlight this is 6. Here is 4, here is 5. So let's say what I want is 66. So I will highlight this, apply, highlight this here, apply. So now that it's done, click this, hold my shift, click this, click this, click this. Okay, go to surfaces and go to boundary. And guess what? I have a boundary there. Okay, and another thing is you can, for just unlike your planar, this might not affect you much anymore, but this will affect. Okay, very important. So unlike your, or just like your planar, if you don't want it to affect it anymore, just click this and delete history. Okay, edit, delete by type, history, and now you can play around with this, and this is kept. So basically that's how the planar and boundary works in Maya. If you have any question, you can email me at creativeverse@gmail.com and I'll give you the necessary attention. Thank you. See you in the next video.